Hello, dear children. I welcome you all in the English class, where we are going to start the next poem of your syllabus, The Snake Trying. When you hear or you see the snake, definitely the first emotion comes in your heart, that is to be afraid. Whether the snake was dangerous or not, this hardly anybody think for. So let's just see whether all the snakes are dangerous, or we should not to fear with all the snakes. Let's see what are the views of W. Ross in this poem, The Snake Trying. First of all, the introduction of the poem I will share with you. In the poem, the poet says that the snake tries to escape from being hit by the stick held by a person who is trying to kill it. The poet wants to say that all snakes are not harmful. Humans have a notion that snakes are dangerous and try to kill them as soon as they spot one. But this is not true. He tells us how a harmless green colored snake tries to hide behind the green bushes in order to save itself. Now we are starting explanation from Stranger 1. The snake trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of thin, long body. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. I request, dear children, you underline the word pursuing stick. Pursuing stick, underline this. Why you are asked to underline? Because transferred epith is used in it. This I am going to discuss with you later on. First, the word meanings. Pursuing meaning chasing or following. Curving meaning twisting. The snake tries to escape from being hit by the stick that is following it. As the snake crawls, its body twists and turns, forming fascinating shapes. Now the next stranger, he glides through the water away from the stroke. Oh, let me go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt, small and green. He is harmless even to children. Glides meaning moves, stroke hitting to the stick, reeds, water or marsh plants with thick stems. The poet says the snake moves through the water in order to save itself. The poet pleads to let it escape and hide behind the thick marshy plants as it is harmless. The small green colored snake is harmless even to children. Along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. Vanishes meaning disappears. Till it was spotted and chased away by the person holding a stick, it lay quietly in the sand. In order to save itself, the snake disappears in the ripples of the water and hides in the camouflage green bushes of marshy plants. Now, dear children, we will talk about the literary devices. Rhyme scheme is nowhere used in this poem. It is absent here. The poem is written in free verse. I told you that time to underline pursuing stick as transferred epith. Dear children, note down the spelling of this figure of speech, transportipith. The adjective used with a noun refer to a noun other than the one with which it is used. Pursuing stick, transportipith is used in it. How transportipith is used? It seems that the stick was pursuing or chasing the snake. Actually, pursuing refers to the person who is holding the stick and not the stick itself. It seems that a stick was pursuing the snake, but actually the reality was snake was chased by the person who had the stick. So the person who is holding the stick and not the stick itself. That is why transportipith is used here. Alliteration, the repetition of a consonant sound in two or more consecutive words is called alliteration. He is harmless. So here H consonant sound is repeated. Now dear children, we will discuss this small poem summary. In this poem, a harmless green colored snake tries to save itself from being hit by a person who is chasing it with a stick to kill it. The poet says that the snake is harmless even to children. People fear snakes, and when they see one, they try to kill it with a stick. The snake tries to save itself and hides behind the green colored bushes of marshy plants growing in the water. It hides in the ripples of the water body in order to save itself. The snake disappears behind the marshy plants. I hope, dear children, everybody followed it. Thank you.